Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the Airpods, and the case so pairing will be predictable. Put the specific left/right pair into the alternate case and confirm both buds show charge. Low power causes pairing failures. Once done, reset that pair by pressing and holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears prior associations and forces the buds into pairing mode. Make sure the case itself has power, because a dead case can block the whole process. Next, place the reset AirPods inside the different case, leave the lid open, and bring your phone or computer close. Open Bluetooth settings and select the AirPods model when it appears. Pairing now writes the device identity into the buds. While pairing, avoid interference, turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices, and move within 1 to 3 feet. Once paired, test audio and microphone with a short call or media. If the device asks for model selection, pick the correct AirPods variant so left/right mapping stays correct. Finish by verifying both AirPods work in daily scenarios. Play stereo audio, make a call, and confirm automatic ear detection and volume controls operate correctly. If one bud is silent or misbehaving, remove and reseat it in the case, clean the charging contacts gently, then repeat the reset and pair sequence. If problems persist, update firmware through a paired Apple device or try returning the buds to their original case to see if the issue is case-specific. Seek Apple diagnostics only after those steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.